Hi guys, so long haven't seen you guys. Hope you guys are doing great. So before I start this video, I honestly want to tell you guys the title of the video says that no one is always happy. So it's the fun fact or the reality fact or it's the main adventure of life or it's the interest of life that no one is always happy, because if each of us are always happy, then we will forget the existence of many things and we will forget the existence of hard work, dedication, and we will forget how to really enjoy the happy moment, because we have this every day. If I am getting to eat every day like butter chicken, if I am telling it to my friends at home like masala paneer every day, I won't be having that excitement. Like every meal I am getting paneer, every meal I am getting paneer, and every meal I am getting butter chicken in case. So I won't be that excited that eating naan every time. No. So that's why I am saying happiness is not like all the time to each of us. But how can we affirm ourselves and make ourselves happy? By what are the few things that can really help us to motivate ourselves and look forward every day to be happy? Every day is not happy, yet we can look forward to be happy. So how do we do that? First of all, each of us are going through a lot of problems. Let me confirm you, no matter who you see, no matter what that you see in movie and cinema, and no matter whom's life you are seeing, glamorous life on Instagram, none of us are permanently happy. Everyone has some problems, definitely. And everyone's problem is big for them. It may not be bigger for you, but for them at personal level, it's a big problem. So few things that really helps, and you can really research about it and read a lot about it. First thing is to personal affirmation from close people who really loves you. They should affirm you and they should let you know that you are important, and even though it's not that you don't need to be told that you are important, but yes, that affirmation makes sense and makes difference. The motivation makes a lot of difference. Secondly, whenever you wake up or whenever you feel down, tell yourself that how many people are associated with you and how much impact you're giving to each of them. Like though it be your father, though it be your mother, sister, brother, anyone. So you begin from your family, you see in your friends, and how many people's face you really put the smile, because every day we are living a life of risk. No matter, right at this moment I'm talking to you guys, tomorrow I might be dead, and life is very uncertain, though it be my life or your life. So overall, if we summarize that why we need to look forward to be happy, no matter what's going on in life, we have to affirm ourselves for what we have. We need to appreciate what we have, and in search of what we don't have, we don't have to lose what we have currently. So always appreciate your friends you have. Don't always beg for the kind of people you want in your life, the kind of friend you want in your life. Be the one you want to be the one you want to have. So for example, if I want a friend who is very friendly and very happy and excited to be with me, I should be that kind of person first before I want someone to be like that. Secondly, we should always affirm and know our positive traits. Yet we have many negative traits, but at the same time knowing the positivity of ourselves and appreciating that, okay, what if I don't have this, I might not have a house, I might not have an expensive car, but I have my things, like I have a good clothes, I have a good food to eat, what I have, and that matters. Thirdly, stop, and if not you cannot stop, then try to reduce your comparison with others to zero. Like it makes you feel so good, trust me, believe me. If you don't compare with yourself with your friends all the time, friends life, like, oh, she has this, he has that, he has this, he has that, that will help you a lot. So firstly, affirming yourself is a great help. Secondly, you are always motivated, and at the same moment you are always happy with what you have. Thirdly, you have accepted the fact, one of the fact, that everything is happening for a reason. For example, recently there is something like I can feel about is that I want to go to my hometown. It's been a long time, but if I don't get an opportunity, or unfortunately if something happens, I'm not getting a chance, I'll take it in a way that it wasn't meant for me, and it's okay, I will get something better, and even if I don't get it, it's just not part for me to happen. So these few things will make you happy. And fourthly, lastly, please know that no one is permanently happy. Happiness is something that goes, and we have to keep on evolving with that pattern of happiness and sadness. At the same time, keep the good people with you. What's my method of being happy in a consistent way or trying to be happy all the time is to live life on a per day basis, live happily, be connected with people really emotionally. What they are doing, how they connect to you, it doesn't matter. You give your best. When you give your best and they are left out or they are gone, you don't regret, like you don't have any regret of not doing anything. For example, if my office gives me a project to do and I give my 100% into it and I have given my blood and sweat, like gave my best focus I could give, after that if I do well, it's great, it's jolly well, wow. If not, if unfortunately I didn't do what I was supposed to do and I didn't perform as per expectation, it's still better because I gave my best and I have zero regrets. I'm not looking for back at it, oh I would have done better. So these are the little methods that you can, yet happiness is not all the time with us, yet we can try to be happy all the time, what I feel. So hope you like this video and share with your friends in this time where everyone is having so much stress. And believe me guys, I have like few friends, like I have tons of people surrounded around me because I am a people person and I interact with them. I know how the heck they go through a lot of problems. A lot of people who look damn good, damn happy outside are going through a lot of stress. People who are having all the time smile are going through the pain deep inside heart. The loneliness had become the part of everyday's life of a lot of people. So what we can do is to not be lonely or not feel lonely or not let anyone feel lonely. We have to first understand why it's coming, and it's coming because we are not appreciating what we have. Let's appreciate what we have, and then we look to the life that how happiness is important for everything, that and how we can manipulate the unhappy situation to become happy. So that's all about this video. Hope you guys liked it, and sending lots of best wishes to each of you. And if you are my friend, you must be meeting me and you must be getting that energy and vibe when I meet you guys. And I really hope you have a great time and have a great life.